Jamie from Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet in the front loop and in the back loop. And I'm going to do it with a single crochet, but you can also do half double or double crochet in the front or the back loop. So when you look at your project, I already have some single crochets going here. You're going to see the V stitches on top right here. This is your front loop right here. This is your front loop. And this is your back loop back here. Okay, so front, 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 back, 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 back. So when they say you're going to crochet into the front loop only, you're just going to pull up that, or you're just going to go under that front loop. Normally we would go under both loops and then do our single crochet. But when they say the front loop only, you're just going to go into this first one. So you go up, under, and then you just finish your single crochet as normal. Up under this front one, single crochet as normal. And what that's doing is just kind of making a braided look on the other side. I'll do a few more so you can see what it looks like. But instead of going through, let's see, put this back, instead of going through both loops like normal, and this is really thick yarn, I just thought it would show it better on video with a big hook, but normally we would go through both here. You're just going to go through this first one. Okay, that's your front loop. So I'll do a few more here. And you just finish like normal. And then you can see when you turn your work, it's giving it this braided look. It's just going to set that back loop out a little bit. So you can see the first few that I did were just regular single crochets. And then these were the front loops. So are the front loop onlys. So it just takes that back loop and kind of gives it a braided look. Now if you go into the back loop only, we're going to skip the front one here and we're just going to go into the back loop. So you just go under that one loop and then pull around like you would for a normal single crochet. Back loop again. There's your front loop, there's your back loop again. We'll do one more. And then what that's doing is just pushing your front loop out for the braided effect. So it's the same as it would be doing here. So you can see the regular crochet, single crochets, the front loop only pushes the back loop out, and the back loop only pushes the front loop out. So that's how you do the front loop and the back loop. You can do it the same way if you want to do a half double. You just yarn over first, go in the front loop, just finish your half double as you normally would. Same with a double crochet. It doesn't matter. It's just depending on which loop you're going in. I hope that was helpful. If I helped you at all, you can check out some of my other videos, and if you'd like to give this video a like and possibly subscribe, that would be really helpful. I'm just getting started on YouTube, so I can use all the help that I can get here. And thank you so much. Have a great day.